In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send as document in WhatsApp on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first step, we need to save our photo as a document. So guys, open up Photos app. Then search for a photo you would like to send as a document. Let it be that one. All we have to do now is just long press on it. Tap at Share. Scroll down a bit until we find the Save to File. Then just stop on it. And also we can do it right from here. So first we can open up the photo. Tap and Share. Scroll down and select Save to Files. After that, we need to choose a directory to save the file I'm just gonna save it to Downloads folder. If we tap right here, we can rename the file, or we cannot. Then to save the file, tap and save. Once the file has been saved, we can close Photos. And then we need to open up WhatsApp. After that, go to a conversation. Tap at plus. Select Document. Then get into FWL in which you have saved the file. Search for that file, then select it and tap at Open. After that, you can add a caption to this file, or you cannot. And then just stop at Send to send it as a document. That's how you can easily send photo as document in WhatsApp on your iPhone.